Hello and thank you for being an MLC CAD Systems customer. My name is Philip Morrow and I'd like to talk about what your next steps are after buying a SOLIDWORKS product, starting with how to get your software installed and up and running right now, as well as additional resources to make sure you are as productive with the software as quick as possible. So let's get right into it, starting with the serial numbers. Now, after your purchase is processed, you will receive an email with your serial numbers and an informational PDF about installation. These serial numbers are what you pay for, so keep track of them. A serial number starting with 9000 is a standalone and can be activated on a single computer or for a single user's login information. A 9010 number is a network serial number, which is normally activated on a server machine and allows client computers to obtain licenses as needed. Now, those 9000 or standalone serial numbers can be set up in one of two ways, either machine activated or using online licensing. With machine activation, the first time SOLIDWORKS launches, it will run an activation wizard, and then the software will be activated and tied to that machine's hardware. This is the default or traditional licensing setup of SOLIDWORKS. But with online licensing, you will be prompted to log in with credentials the first time the software launches. The software license is simply tied to that login, making it much easier to switch between multiple machines with an internet connection simply by closing the software. Make sure to check out MLC's website or YouTube page for online licensing setup instructions. When using machine activation, keep in mind that while only one machine can be activated at a time, you can transfer the software activation to a different machine in seconds, simply by hitting Help and Deactivate from inside the software. And if you choose online licensing, an internet connection is required every time you use the software. If you do know that you will be without internet access in the future, though, you can put the software into an offline mode ahead of time to account for that. Now, you may receive more than one serial number from MLC, as products like SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard and PDM Standard come included with a purchase of SOLIDWORKS Professional or Premium. A My.SOLIDWORKS Professional serial number is actually registered in the SOLIDWORKS.com customer portal website. It unlocks website assets and is not entered during software installation. Sometimes one serial number is all that's needed for multiple products, such as with network serial numbers or no serial number that's needed at all for SOLIDWORKS CAM. Moving on to installing the software itself, you will need to download. Starting with 2020, physical DVDs are no longer going to be shipped, so make yourself a login to the SOLIDWORKS.com customer portal where you can download the software. The customer portal is the main website for all things SOLIDWORKS, where you can choose downloads and updates and what year of the software you're looking to download. There is only going to be one link called SOLIDWORKS Products that's needed to download any type of SOLIDWORKS software. Alternatively, you can head over to MLC's main website where we host a zipped version of the latest installation manager for all SOLIDWORKS products, as well as links to all of our installation instructions in PDF and videos. Once you've downloaded the installation manager, it's important to check the system requirements to make sure your machine can handle it, particularly if you're installing a server product. This one installation manager is all you need, whether you're performing a standard installation, setting up an administrative image, or installing server products. You can even just download all the software at once to share with others. Enter the appropriate serial numbers and the installation manager will know what software to install. Multiple years of SOLIDWORKS can be installed on the same machine side by side without issue. And be sure to review the summary page, make sure you're ready to go before accepting the terms of the license agreement and performing the install. After that installation is complete, we'd appreciate it if you help make SOLIDWORKS better by joining the Customer Experience Improvement Program. Now that we've covered how to get the software up and running, let's take a look at what a SOLIDWORKS subscription comes with, starting with what I think is the most valuable asset, live technical support from our team of applications experts. Our experts use, teach, certify in, and provide unbeatable technical support for the software, so don't hesitate to reach out to us via phone, email, or website, and we even offer screen sharing via GoToAssist web meetings. Any seat of SOLIDWORKS Professional or Premium on subscription service includes the ultra-realistic standalone photo rendering program SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard, and all seats of SOLIDWORKS on subscription include the SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard add-in. Software downloads, enhancement requests, knowledge-based access, and more is all available for SOLIDWORKS subscription holders through the SOLIDWORKS.com customer portal, and additional training videos can be found at my.solidworks.com. And there's even more. Subscription holders get access to a limited number of free certification exams each year, a great way to build your knowledge and prove your proficiency in the software. I mentioned earlier that our team of experts does more than provide technical support. We also offer training in all areas of the software. As vendor-certified instructors, we offer lecture-based lab-based training in our local training facilities, online or at your facility, as well as custom curriculums based on your needs. Every company has different needs when it comes to implementing new software, and MLC has been providing customized engineering solutions for over 35 years. Reach out to us for data migration, custom software setup, or just one-off projects. We'll even take the server headache off your hands with a hosted server solution. This is a dedicated server hosted in a data center and set up for SOLIDWORKS server products like PDM. You can bundle services such as VPNs, annual upgrades, automatic backups, and have a single contact for all of your server and software support. I hope this information is enough to get you up and running today, but if not, just head over to mlc-cad.com and we're here to help.